Okay, so the project for today is I've got a little modification for the R-4B receiver. That's it right there. Tiny little thing. But it will allow the use of a pan adapter. And I've got the choice of two here. I can either use my hidden down there as an RSP2 amongst all my input-output connections for everything in the shack here. It's kind of a mess, but best I can do. Or I can program a function key on the nice P3 pan adapter that I hope to eventually get the SVGA board for it, so I can drive a bigger monitor. But bottom line is I should be able to get some kind of pan adapter display out of the R-4B, which, you know, might be kind of fun. It was only 25 bucks, so we'll see how it works. And there's not much to it. It could be homebrewed very, very inexpensively, but this is all put together and done with surface mount components. But it's just a transistor amplifier and a voltage regulator, so no big deal. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. I'll add on to this after I get it installed. Okay, here's the buffer board installed in the R-4B. You can get an idea of what it looks like there. Mounted with some double-sided tape and a piece of fish paper held in place by a ground here and a ground to the chassis back here. The brown wire connects the output of the IF transformer, and the output is this little piece of coax that comes out to a BNC connector here. So, oh, and one other connection, this white wire is to the 12-volt filament line, which gets rectified and filtered a little bit to power the buffer. Anyway, we're going to put it back together, plug it into a pan adapter here, and see how it works. So, stay tuned. Okay, the little buffer board is in. R-4B seems to be working just fine, and I got it hooked up to the SDRPlay for right now. Seems to work pretty good. I don't have all the settings on the software optimized, but let me just tune around here a little bit. We'll go up in frequency. Oops, wrong way. So, there you go. For 25 bucks, I think it works pretty good. And I'll figure out the settings, the optimized settings here on the software to, you know, make it look good. But the output level seems to be relatively stable and works as expected. So, there you go. Another little cool modification for the R-4B. Anyway, that's the story for today. Keep tinkering, everybody. See y'all later. Okay, just a quick update. I found some critical settings here. One thing you want to do is lock the local oscillator onto the IF frequency. And if you look on page 94 and 95 of the manual for the RSP, it'll show you how to do that. But that seems to make a difference. Now I can zoom in and zoom out, changing the bandwidth here. So effectively adjusting the span to cover, you know, most of the band. And there's other software settings that I can play with too. But anyway, it's going to work out just great. That's the bottom line. So, that's it. Keep tinkering, everybody. See y'all later. Maybe if I get this hooked up to the P3, I'll do a quick shoot of that and post that one separately. But I think I might just use it like this. It's a pretty nice looking display. Alright, keep tinkering, everybody. See y'all later.